When I advise parents about how to talk with their children about issues such as puberty and sex, I encourage them to be very open and direct. It's important to use anatomically correct terms and to answer a child's questions directly. When talking about sex, many times we think about the physical aspects and providing education about the physical aspects of sex and the medical risks such as pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. Clearly, as a doctor, I think it's very important to talk about these issues. However, when I talk with teenagers about sex, I also like to talk about the emotional aspect of it. Talking to a teenager about how the decision to have sex isn't just a physical one, but also involves their emotional development and how they feel about that sort of intimacy. When talking to teenagers about sex, it's important to make it a safe and open topic. The bottom line is, if teenagers don't feel comfortable going to their parents or their doctors or another trusted adult, they're going to find sources of information elsewhere that may not be as reliable.